Orbit by Mozilla AI has just dropped, and if you're wondering whether it's worth your time, you're in the right place. In this review, we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about this brand new AI software that promises to make waves in the industry. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have all the insight you need to decide if Orbit by Mozilla AI is the right fit for you. First things first, let me tell you that Orbit by Mozilla is offering something truly unique in the crowded AI space. It's designed to simplify complex AI processes and make them accessible for both professionals and beginners. Whether you're into AI-driven automation or content creation, this tool is built to help you get more done faster. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Orbit by Mozilla comes with a ton of customization options. Unlike many other AI tools, it gives you the flexibility to tailor outputs to your specific needs. Whether you're working with big data or small tasks, you can set up the software to fit exactly what you're trying to achieve. And yes, that includes generating content, automating workflows, and even analyzing trends. All that customization doesn't come at the cost of simplicity either. It's intuitive, user-friendly, and offers a minimal learning curve. A big feature to note is the software's robust integration capabilities. Orbit by Mozilla easily connects with most of the tools you're already using, whether that's your project management software, CRM, or communication apps. This seamless integration ensures that you won't waste time manually syncing data between different platforms. It's efficient and allows you to automate so much more than you probably thought possible. Speaking of automation, Orbit by Mozilla has an incredibly powerful AI model that helps automate repetitive tasks. Imagine freeing up your time by letting the software handle everything from data entry to content creation. But here's the kicker. The AI isn't just about doing tasks, it learns as you go. That means it gets better the more you use it. So this isn't just a one-trick pony. Orbit is an evolving tool that becomes increasingly valuable over time. For those of you who care about security and privacy, good news. Mozilla, the creator of Orbit, is known for its commitment to privacy. Orbit by Mozilla doesn't collect personal data unless you explicitly opt in. So you can feel confident that your data stays in your control. In today's digital world, that level of transparency is becoming more and more essential. Now let's talk about affordability. Orbit by Mozilla comes with a completely free plan, which is ideal if you're just starting to dip your toes into the world of AI. You can experiment and see if it fits your needs without committing a dime. And for those of you who want more features, there are paid plans that unlock additional capabilities. Definitely worth checking out if you plan on using the software for business-level tasks. Lastly, one thing I have to mention is the support. If you run into any issues or have questions, the support team behind Orbit by Mozilla is top-notch. They offer 24/7 assistance, and users have praised how responsive and knowledgeable the team is when it comes to troubleshooting. By now, you probably have a pretty solid idea of what Orbit by Mozilla AI brings to the table. But before we wrap up, remember you can try this AI software for completely free from the first link below. So, what's my take? Orbit by Mozilla is a game changer. It brings serious value with its customization, automation, security, and ease of use. And if you're into trying out new software, I've got a list of my top recommended AI tools for you in the description. Ones I've tested and highly recommend after trying thousands of AI applications. So make sure to check those out and find the best fit for your needs. Thanks for watching.